gorgeous. Peace and quiet. Well, good morning everybody. Not such a nice day today. In fact, it's just started raining, but it doesn't matter. We don't come out for the weather. Don't like the wind though. Don't think we need 50 knots of wind, 50 miles an hour of wind in July. Anyway, here we are in Friston Forest. I like this walk. I like all my walks. Show about the weather. It's very quiet. I haven't seen many people today. A couple of lads on the bike and another dog walker. Done a little bit of filming, but I'm not holding out great hopes for it. I reset the other camera and looking at it, it looks like it's all overexposed. So really, it's a schoolboy mistake on my part. Idiot. Anyway, no coffee today. Left the water in the car. Hasn't got off to a good start, really, has it? We're going to head down now to the bottom path, walk along the back, about another half an hour, 45 minutes, and we'll see. I have brought my camera as well, my good camera. Just some nice pictures down there. I don't know what it'll be like. It might be a bit too green for me. I think we're well too early for autumn. Well, no, it's July. So I might scrub that bit, I might not. I've got Alf here sitting next to me. So enough rabbiting again, because I do tend to lose myself on this thing. And catch you later. I get a bit fed up with just green all the time. But this just caught my eye. There's a couple of elm trees there, and the sun is just right above it, and then it's just shining through the clouds, and it's sending them off. So I think I will get the camera out and try and get a picture of that. I don't expect it to be any good, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So see you in a mo. Well, in camera, morning. In camera, it looks like a great shot, but I've been down that road so many times. As soon as you put it out on the computer for processing, you think, ugh, drab. But I'm hopeful, fingers crossed, if it's any good. Well, here it is. I'm about 2/3 through the walk now, and down comes the rain. Was expected, and to be honest, it's very refreshing. Got company. Yeah, all company. 3 lads mountain biking. Yeah, good luck to them. I'd like to say 30, 40 years ago that would have been me, but I'd be lying.